2014 BMW X3 with the 2-liter engine. Today we're going to be replacing the drive belt. Let's get to it. For this video, we're going to be using the DriveWorks. Oh, the part number got torn off. Let me look that up real quick. 393 Kilo 6 drive belt. And it's a pretty straightforward drive belt replacement. Your tensioner is located right here on the front of the engine, and you just need to put a socket on here. Alright, I tried finding a belt diagram online, but I could not. So here's one I made real quick. Right here is your tensioner, your alternator, AC compressor, and your main crank. And this is the belt and how it goes around. Pretty simple, but just in case anybody needed help with it, that's the belt diagram essentially. The drive belt tensioner bolt is a 16 millimeter. And probably the easiest way to do this is just to reach down there and pull it off of the tensioner, because the tensioner is a smooth pulley, so it should slide right off. Apply our tension and slide the belt off. There we go. And as you can see, this drive belt's starting to crack and rot, and that's why we're replacing it. When it gets to this point, you definitely want to replace your drive belt. Now, because of how it's folded, you can actually make this work for you with how you're going to install it. So go ahead and use this loop down here for your main crank, because a lot of the times the more complicated drive belt installs, you're going to be fighting how they were packaged. It's kind of annoying, but it's not a big deal. Alright, I couldn't get enough tension on that, so I'll go ahead and get my serpentine tool out. Jeez, a flip. Alright, so what we ended up having to do was remove the belt, apply tension to the tensioner, and put it on all the pulleys and put it on the tensioner last. The problem is that when you have the tensioner fully extended, it's basically touching your crank pulley, so it is just a battle to put this belt on. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you'd like to see more videos on this vehicle, go ahead and check out that one next. I made that one just for you. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. See you all next time.